What is the behind the scenes when it comes to setting up a box break here sa Philippines? So una kong ginagawa is, so I have an inventory of boxes here. Dami. Or actually, medyo kulang na nga to eh. I have an inventory here of the boxes I will look at. Tapos check ko, okay, sa pricing, anong gusto ko gawin today? Gusto ko ba mag-pick your team or gusto ko ba mag-team random or hybrid? Anyway, for example, I wanna do a team random. So pipili ako ng mga retail boxes na pwede i-pair together. Ito yung mga napili kong boxes. So we got 2 mega boxes sa 24-25, 23-24 mega box. This is break 139 by the way. So nagpapagawa ako ng poster para maakit yung mga viewers and mga potential joiners. So hina-highlight namin yung boxes, hina-highlight natin yung mga hits, what you can get from the boxes. Ayan, so ito yun. We got a Topps Chrome 25-26, 24-25, 24-25, 23-24. So once we pick the boxes, doon mo na masaset yung price. So ang ginagawa kong price dito is ideally pag team random, gusto ko chill lang, gusto ko below 1K. So 990, 999 para the next day pwede ka na mag-pick your team na medyo mataas yung price. Kasi dapat ano yun eh, it's a roller coaster, hindi pwede high lagi or else yung mga joiners baka masunog or baka nila may enjoy experience or hindi makasali yung ibang tao na team random lang gusto or may specific price point silang gustong salihan. So yeah, that's how it goes when it comes to setting up a box break here in the Philippines. Kami sa Manila Box Breaks, we do pick your team, tas team random, pick your team, tas team random. Ganun yung usual cadence when it comes to releasing breaks for our joiners. So I hope this helps kung gusto niyo gumawa na sa yung break dito sa Philippines. Just a quick glimpse to how we do it. Nakita niyo na rin yung inventory doon kanina and yeah. I'll see you all next time. Corp to Cards, Episode 3. Peace.